Thank you, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, I beg to give notice of the following motion. I won't read all of it. I have to read all of it. Okay, I have to read all of it. Approval of the third basis for revenue allocation among the county governments. That aware that under Article 217 of the Constitution, the Senate, by resolution, is required to determine the basis for allocating among counties the share of national revenue that is annually allocated to the county level of government. Further aware that the Senate mandated the Standing Committee on Finance and Budget to consider the recommendations of the Commission on Revenue Allocation and consulted the Cabinet Secretary responsible for finance and the Council of Governors, among others, and subsequently conducted public participation pursuant to Article 118(1)(b) of the Constitution, as documented in the report tabled in the Senate on Monday, the 13th of July, 2020, cognizant that the matter of the third basis for allocating among the counties the share of national revenue that is annually allocated to the county level of government has evoked robust debate in the Senate and in the nation at large, leading to a series of consensus-building initiatives. Now, therefore, the Senate resolves that pursuant to Article 217(1) of the Constitution, the third basis for allocating among the counties the share of national revenue that is annually allocated to the county level of government for the financial years 2020-2021 to 2024-2025 shall consist of the allocation ratio and the formula where 1. The allocation ratio shall be equals to the shareable revenue allocated to the counties in the financial year 2019-2020, and 2. The formula of 18% population index, 17% health index, 10% agriculture index, 5% urban index, 14% poverty index, 8% land allocation, land area index, capped at 7%, no square root, 8% roads index, and 20% basic share index, where health services is a health index, health facility gaps are 20%, 3 years average number of primary health care visits to level 2 and 3 health facilities, 60% and 3 years average inpatient days in level 4 and 5 hospitals, 20%. And the facility gap factor is the ratio of the facility gap in each county divided by the total facility gap in the country. Primary health care factor is the number of primary health care visits in your county over the total in the country. Inpatient days factor as well is number of inpatient days in your county over the total. Agriculture services, where the agricultural index is 0.005 by the minimum share index plus 0.095 of the ratio of rural households in your county over the total number of rural households in the country. Other county services, where the population index is simply your county's population over the population of the country, 47 million. Minimum share, which is the basic share index, meaning that 19% of the equal share index plus 0.01%, the inverse population of a county over the total inverse population of the 47 counties in summation, meaning the country of Kenya. Land, where the land area index is the land area in your county, County I, over the summation of the land area in 47 counties, which is 583,000 square kilometers of Kenya. The roads index, which is the rural access index in County I, over the summation of rural access index in all counties of Kenya. The poverty index, which is the number of poor people in your county, County I, over the total summation of the number of poor people in the country as indicated. and urban index, urban service, urban index is the urban households in your county over the total summation of urban households in the Republic of Kenya. Further, the Senate resolves that the third basis for allocating among the counties the share of national revenue that is annually allocated to the county level of government for the financial years 2020-2021 to 2024-2025 shall be applied as follows. A, equitable share for 2020-2021, the county allocation will be equal to the allocation ratio, which is 2019-2020, plus 0 by the formula, meaning each county shall get exactly what they got. B, equitable share for 2021-2022 to 2024-2025 of 370 billion. Mr. Speaker, I'm not sure if senators have heard. Of 370 billion and above, county allocation will be 0.5, which is 50% of the 1920 allocation ratio, plus the difference of whatever remains above, equitable share, minus 0.5 allocation ratio by the formula as stipulated above, provided that for the duration of the operation of the third basis for allocating revenue among the counties, no county shall receive in any financial year an amount of shareable revenue that is less than the amount of shareable revenue received by the county in the financial year 2019-2020. Further, the Senate resolves that pursuant to Article 217(2)(b) of the Constitution, the Commission on Revenue Allocation, CRA, takes account the resolution of the Senate on the third basis for revenue allocation and the debate thereon, and further take into account additional factors including pastoralism, the livestock sector, the blue economy, the extractive industries, and wildlife and conservation in determining principles and parameters of equitable sharing of national revenue among the counties moving forward. The simulation is as in the order paper. There is no way I can read the entire simulation. Mr. Speaker, I beg to give notice of motion. Thank you.